Hello, everyone. Ashley Johnston here. I just wanted to hop on here really quickly to do a quick tutorial of how to track your active minutes on the Let's Walk Florida website, which was partially down prior to this, but now you're actually able to register and log in. So hopefully you can see my screen right now. And this is what my sign-in area looks like. I've already registered. It's really quick. It takes about 30 seconds to register. And then once you do that, you'll be able to select a date here and enter in all your information. So if you're wondering, how to log your active minutes, if you have a fitness watch, most of them have things called zone minutes. That's what mine is for Fitbit. And I'm not sure what the other ones are called, but it's your active minutes that it keeps track of. So I'm going to show you my phone so I can give you an example, and then we'll enter this stuff together so you can see what the stats look like once you're done. So this is my phone. This is my Fitbit app. And you can see on the left there, those are your zone minutes. So I know this is kind of mirrored, so it's maybe difficult to see, but that particular day I had 19 zone minutes. So that I enter in the 19 minutes for my active minutes. So we're going to go ahead and scroll on through. And so as I'm going through, I'm again looking at those zone minutes. Right here I have 0 for the 25th. And so I'm going to put 0 in, keep going. I have one sad minute for the 26th. And then for the 27th, I have 9. For the 28th, I have 28. And then we'll see what Friday holds. I will say you can definitely tell a huge difference for me, if I'm going to the gym regularly or I'm not going to the gym regularly. My minutes jump up way higher if they are gym days. So I will say for me, comparing this data that I have this week to the other data I entered for previous weeks, I can see that my activity level minutes have gone down. So I'm going to adjust for that and make sure that I get to the gym when I can, or just at least get my heart rate up enough to get some of those zone minutes, because that goal is 150 a week. And then once you enter in your minutes, I just want to show you the bottom here. You can choose low, moderate, or vigorous. And so for me, if it's mostly gym stuff I'm putting here, I'm going to put vigorous for sure. Otherwise, I'll just put moderate or low. So that's it. That's how you enter in your stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and submit this. And then I can go back in and I'll be able to enter in the 29th as well. But I just want to show you what the charts look like. And these are looking kind of sad because I hardly have any minutes here. And then this average for Duval County, that will change once you all go in and enter in your statistics. That'll change. And again, any of my participants, even if you're in Nassau County, please choose Duval County so that we can have accurate statistics and parameters for this iteration of Let's Walk Florida. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Please enter in your minutes. I totally appreciate it. And I'll see you on the flip side.